So removing this turbo, they're reverse threaded. So in this case, this was a 10, this is a 14 in the back. Instead of lefty loosey, it's righty loosey. And it really does not require too much torque to take off. The reason they make it like that, it's when the turbo is spinning, it'll tighten itself up. So now this is free. See, the markings are all kind of all over the place now. That's why we marked the turbo. So reverse thread, righty loosies on turbos. Pulling off that. See, it's marked. It's marked. I also scored it a little bit. So we're just checking, see no damage right here. Pull the shaft out, straight out. When you put everything back, make sure to lube it. But yeah, this is still good right here, see? This is basically an unused turbo. It's just been sitting. So got that out. You can see the bearings. Bearings are still in very good condition. Got the little C-clip right there. A little bit dirty right here. That's just grease. And then we're going to take this portion off right here. So I believe these are 8. What I used for this turbo was a 14 to hold this and a 10 to get that nut off. So I'm going to put this right here so we don't lose them. So some of these turbos come with this like gasket O-ring. That's because, you know, the tolerance aren't as good as like a Garrett turbo. That's why they do it that way. So let me see. Yep, these are 8s. And then just, you know, regular directions thread, lefty loosey. Doesn't take too much torque to take them off. See, did a little bit now. I can spin it hand tie. Using finger strength, you know, it comes off. Toss it in here. This is good to do, you know, when you're getting that turbo upgraded, brand new. Throw a 360 bearing in it, thrust bearing, or if you have an old one that you want to rebuild, easy.